Is it the right time to make a decision about Lucid stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Lucid. We previously published a report on our website on Wednesday, January 24, 2024, and now we're back with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 20, 2023, our system has identified Lucid as a sell candidate, with a score of -2.90. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. Unfortunately, the stock has experienced a significant loss of -33.8%. This means that on average, the stock has been losing -1.47% per day since it was identified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in a downward trend, which can present a great buying opportunity for investors. If the stock price drops below the lower trend floor of $2.58, it may indicate an even stronger decline. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential change of -17.92% in the next 3 months. This means the stock could see a return between -24.82% and 36.88% during that time. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected change of -49.64% over the next year. This suggests a possible return ranging from -54.51% to 16.20%. In other words, the stock price could be anywhere between $1.28 and $3.28 after a year. Our latest update for Lucid brings you an important headline: volatile ride for Lucid stock price on Wednesday, fluctuating between $2.78 and $3.15. On Wednesday, January 24, 2024, the Lucid stock price experienced a decline of -6.93%, dropping from $3.03 to $2.82. Throughout the trading day, the stock showed a significant fluctuation of 13.31%, ranging from a low of $2.78 to a high of $3.15. It's worth noting that the price has fallen in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a downturn of -22.1% during this period. Interestingly, the decrease in trading volume aligned with the stock's decline, which can be seen as a positive sign since volume should follow the stock. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by -11 million shares on the last day, with a total of 43 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $121.33 million. Looking at the broader picture, over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the stock was $17.81, while the lowest price reached $2.54. Currently, the stock price stands at 84.17% below the 52-week high, equivalent to $14.99, and 95.65% below the all-time high recorded on February 18, 2021. On that date, the price peaked at $64.86. Analyst ratings. On Monday, November 27, 2023, it was reported that Needham downgraded LCID with a reduced grade. On Wednesday, November 8, 2023, Guggenheim gave LCID a neutral grade and placed a hold action. On Wednesday, November 8, 2023, RBC Capital gave LCID a sector perform grade and maintained a hold action. On Wednesday, November 8, 2023, Cantor Fitzgerald downgraded LCID with a neutral grade. On Friday, September 8, 2023, RBC Capital initiated coverage on LCID with a sector perform grade. Analysts have expressed a general sentiment of caution towards Lucid stock, giving it a sell rating. The PE ratio is considered favorable, prompting analysts to label it as a potential strong buy. Similarly, the price-to-book ratio is also seen as a strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have assigned a negative outlook, rating the stock as a strong sell. Let's dive into the signals that have been identified for Lucid stock. On Thursday, January 18, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 6.42%. This indicates a potential for further rise until a new top pivot is found. However, there are also some negative signals that may influence the near short-term development. While the short-term moving average gives a buy signal, the long-term average suggests a general sell signal. This means that the stock's forecast is more negative. If the stock continues to gain, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $3.93. On the other hand, if it falls, there will be support from the short-term average at $2.81. Breaking above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while falling below the short-term average will strengthen the general sell signal. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. It's worth noting that the volume fell along with the price during the last trading day. This reduction in overall risk suggests that volume should follow the price movements. Today, let's explore some interesting signals that you may find valuable for your investment decisions. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. The short-term moving average displayed a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average revealed a buy signal 21 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 18 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart. The short moving average showed a sell signal 24 days ago. The long-term moving average also displayed a sell signal 123 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 225 days ago. For more signals like these, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about Lucid and its support, risk, and stop-loss levels. Lucid, currently trading at $2.78, has found support from accumulated volume at this level. This means that there might be a buying opportunity, as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is being tested. However, it's important to note that Lucid is considered to be a stock with very high risk. The stock tends to experience significant volatility during the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates a wide prediction interval for this stock. Looking at the recent performance, Lucid had a price range of $0.370 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 13.31% movement. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 10.98%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for Lucid, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either losing money or has negative earnings. Established companies may face temporary downturns due to external factors, but consistently negative PE ratios could be a sign of inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates project earnings of $0.290. These figures can have a significant impact on stock prices, so it's worth keeping an eye on them. Today, let's take a closer look at the potential day trading levels for Lucid. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Lucid is at $3.01. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for the price to surpass this level before considering a position. However, for those who already have the stock, this could be an opportune level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if we see a downward movement, Lucid encounters its first support level at $2.78. If the price manages to hold this support level, it could present a favorable entry point, potentially signaling a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Lucid has received a combined average rating of sell. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On December 29, 2023, Rawlinson Peter Dorr made an insider purchase of 180,723 shares of Class A common stock. On December 29, 2023, Rawlinson Peter Dorr conducted an insider sell-off of 180,723 shares of stock options, right to buy. On December 11, 2023, Dingra Goggin made an insider purchase of 117,365 shares of Class A common stock. On December 5, 2023, Rawlinson Peter Dorr conducted an insider sell-off of 466,751 shares of Class A common stock. On December 5, 2023, Bach Eric conducted an insider sell-off of 47,096 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be positive at 93.766. Overall, insiders have purchased 358,441,291 shares and sold 7,070,030 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and it's important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Lucid stock a good buy? When it comes to Lucid stock, we have some concerns. Our analysis suggests that it may not perform strongly in the coming days or weeks, leading us to hold a negative evaluation of this stock. However, it's worth noting that our systems have detected some interesting patterns. Looking at the volatility and movements from the last trading day, we find that the current price is actually undervalued. In fact, for trading on Thursday, January 25th, we expect Lucid to open up with a price increase of $0.0967, starting at $2.92. Before we proceed, it's essential to understand that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. To make informed decisions, it is strongly recommended to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the provided information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on this stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.